Meaning of land mass.
Land mass.
Land mass.
Land mass.
Land mass. The term landmass refers to a large continuous area of land, usually considered as a unit. It can be used to describe a variety of land formations, including continents, islands, and large landmasses that are part of a continent or connected to it, like peninsulas. Landmasses are typically defined by their geographic features, such as mountain ranges, rivers, and valleys, as well as their political and cultural boundaries. The term is often used in contrast to bodies of water, such as oceans, seas, and lakes.